yun nga, there are two things to learn kasi. One is you learn from others' mistakes so that you'll get the lessons from there. Or the other one, ito kasi ako yung second, yung kailangan ko siyang pagdaanan. It's not enough na naikikwento siya sa akin na nagkamali siya ganito dahil sa ganyan. For some reason kasi I have to go through it so that I will know every bit of detail of that learning. May it be a successful one or an unsuccessful one. Kasi para every fiber of my being knows how it feels. Kaya hindi ko na siya gagawin ulit. So yun, tapos black and white, matino kausap. I mean, I'm very transparent. And siguro I'd like to say ngayon, at this point of my life right now, no one can take advantage of me anymore. As in, no. Yes.
Parang may take advantage sa'yo dati.
Marami, Nikki. On the business side and investment side. Yun, going back to what I've said before, know your craft, know your turf. When it comes to investments, it's very crucial, and a lot of people are gonna take advantage of you, especially dun sa mga nakausap ko before na alam nilang wala akong alam with investments, and they're only showing the good side of these things. Hindi nila pinapakita yung back end. And again, if there's any offer that's too good to be true, as in too good to be true, kahit ano pa yan, do not engage. Do not engage po.
Amen.
Scammers.
Siguro, I guess that's the reason